No matter how good your landing pages are, there's almost always room for improvement. Here, what I'm going to demo is an AI agent that analyzes your landing page. You simply give it the URL. It'll ask you, the AI agent will ask you a few questions, and then it will come up with a bunch of suggestions or recommendations using behavioral science techniques on how to improve that landing page, which in turn should increase your conversion rates. So let's get into it. Here you can see this user interface. I used to work for this company, Shutterfly, for a number of years, and it's a photo product company. On this page, it's selling photo books. So let me take this as the landing page URL, and I am going to go here, enter that landing page URL, and ask the agent to analyze it. Now it's going to take a few seconds to analyze it. It'll come back, it'll ask me some questions, and then it'll come up with suggestions. The way it does it is uses behavioral science techniques. There's a long prompt, system prompt that we fed it to actually incorporate a lot of the approaches around behavioral science, benefits, value, loss aversion, things like that. And it uses all of those. So let's see how it does. Okay, I said it'll ask a few questions. Here they are. What existing elements and must be this includes an improvement. So let's go to the page. Anything we want to preserve here, I'm going to give it as much flexibility as it needs. So I'm going to say nothing to be preserved. That way it knows it can change anything in its recommendations to us. Nothing to be preserved. It's going to ask another question. Who is your primary customer for PhotoGo? So new parents, definitely. I'll say new parents for sure, and moms as well. Okay, and that used to be our primary customer audience. All right. And then the third question is, what is your primary action? Is it starting? Yes, we want our potential customers to start creating photo. And these photo books are actually physical photo books. All right. Now it's probably going to take about 45 seconds. And while it's doing that, I think one of the things I want to just enforce is that it's going to come up with a bunch of suggestions, and they fall into three categories. One is, oh, those make no sense. I mean, there'll be some like that make no sense. Another set of suggestions is, oh, let's do it for sure. That's a quick win. But the biggest group of suggestions you'll see fall into this third category. Sounds interesting, probably will work. I'm not sure. Let's A/B test it. And so I think that's what we want to do with most of these suggestions, is to A/B test it. Now you can see I'm not going to go through all of this. It's a handful. It says replace the main CTA with create my photo book. The word my creates psychological ownership. So it tells you the before, it tells you the recommendation, and it tells you why as well. Add emotional benefit as secondary text, preserve precious moments forever. Sounds good. Should be A/B tested. Display photo book options, high to low price order. This is an interesting one. It wants to say start with the high priced one first because of this behavioral science technique anchoring. And if you start with the high price, a lot of clients may not choose the high price, but they are more likely to choose the middle priced one. So that's an interesting one. It talks about adding testimonials, including specific reviews, display ratings with specific context, 4.7 out of 5 stars from parents documenting baby's first year. Of course, this is assuming this is true. We shouldn't make this up, but it's giving ideas on how to making improvements to the landing page. Display images of families looking through completed photo books together. So a lot of good ideas here. As I said, some of them you may want to implement right away. Others you'll reject right away. Biggest group will be, hey, let's A/B test those. That's it. If you want to use what we have, or if you want us to build something like this for you as well, please do reach out. It's a short form on our website, and we will get back to you promptly. And if we do talk, I think it'll be a very interesting conversation regardless. So please do reach out. And then in the meantime, take care. Good luck. Bye.